So I had this idea that uh, I heard of this grease pencil thing, and I know you could draw on your tablet, and so I had this idea where children in school could submit artwork and then submit storylines that interact together. And so I tried to kind of set up a way to do that. See, I don't have a standard mouse here I have a weird mouse because I'm on a weird device here, but basically, vertically, these would be the storyline to the individual children artwork they provide. And perhaps there's like yes/no questions or little clicky games kind of thing. Parallel to it, going also up vertically, would be other children's storylines, and perhaps at some future point the two could interact together. And in each of these steps, I wanted to take the art and place it in 3 dimensions so that they could walk down a road and get to a house or something. Very much like the second person comic books. I don't know how common that is, but I've seen some like that where you turn to page 86 and it's like comic book style, and it progress the storyline, but you keep items as you progress through the book. And as a book, you write down things. Okay, I think that explains what I wanted to do. What I have done so far to achieve that goal is basically Blender exports to, I think I can get a series of PNG images, and I think I can kind of get SVG, or I can kind of reverse SVG, so I tried both ways, and I made an array of images, obviously, and an array of SVG images, and then I put that into a web page. Excuse me, I put that into a web page. Let's see, I have that open here. And I did a number of things with it. So this is kind of where I'm stuck, which is why I'm kind of reaching out and asking for help. Sorry, I apologize. What is that? If you judge me by my tabs, don't judge me by these tabs. I have like way better tabs. Okay, let's just open the tab. Answer for all this stuff. There you go. Okay. I made 2 different ones. This one, there's more of a storyline, which is kind of not my point to communicate, but there's a storyline. In order to build it, I had to build a storyline into it, and so what this is a series of images, and when I hit certain div tags that I stuck in later using JavaScript, then I can throw off a series of events and set timeout intervals. I have some other ideas to do drag stuff, which is what that is. The other one, though, this is my more recent one where it's more generic. Problem here is, so this this requires some code. Basically, I can go from any image to any image, and then I can look at the images also, but I'm looking at the SVG at this point. And I got the SVG by, a slimy trace bitmap kind of thing. I wish Blender did that. I also added this kind of left-right thing, and I think we can. I think I can use that for some other reason, which is kind of just related to the game. But so that's where I'm at. I just wondered if there's any ideas or things from the community. Maybe there's a better way. I know there's a game engine, but the game engine really goes to Python. And I want this to go like online. Like I don't want this to go to even if I can run Python on a Android app or something. I mean, I don't know. I just want this to be like a website, So any suggestions? Peace out. If I can find the stop button.